Hello everyone. So it has been quite a long time since we have started our new video. So we have solved up to 29 problems and select of basic joins, basic aggregate functions, sorting and grouping. Now we have to do advanced select and joins, subqueries, advanced string functions, regex and clause. Okay, let's just start it out. So let's first move to a table because that's the first thing we would like to check. So here the employee ID, name, okay, who he reports to as an employee, and age. So here its answer is employee ID, name obviously Henry, report count, okay, how many people report to him, great, and average age of this person, no, average of the person, okay, average of the person who reports to Henry. Sorry, it's Hersey. Great, let's just confirm it here again. So, okay, we have one is Michael. So we have Michael here. Michael accepts the reports from these two people. So report count is 2. Great. For second, Alice is also 2. And for Bob, third is Bob is 1. Okay, sure. And we have to add, we'll get 40 average. Great. And for these two, we will give 74. So 37. Great. And here we have only one, 37. Okay. So more or less, we need group by and joining of two tables. Okay, so let's just start it out. First of all, we will try to get something like similar in this format. We'll try to use group by. Okay, so let me just start. Okay, select. We'll do reports to. We'll do reports to, comma, we'll do name because we can get name to here from here. Okay, selects to, we don't need name actually. We can simply do count. Count will work fine for us. Count will work for us. Okay, count asterisks as, isn't it part that columns are distinct or not distinct? Okay, we don't have info about this. Duplicates or not duplicates. Okay, count asterisks. Okay, as, okay, we have employee ID. So employee ID is unique, something unique. All of it's unique as well. Okay, we can make use of this somehow later. As, let me make this report count. Report count. Okay, comma, average of age as average age. Okay, and from the table, what is table name is employees. Table name is employees. And what we have to do, we have to do, okay, we are going group by. We are doing group by report to. Let's see how things are coming up. Some mistake. Did we some mistake? Reports to, we did a typo. So not typo. I did it wrong. Okay, here we also need to do reports count later. I will arrange it. Just maximize it here. I need to worry. Great, I'm doing mistake again. Okay. Actually, we don't need to use null. Do they also include nulls? Because this is rarely seen. Or maybe the data is not null. Okay. So can we do having reports to is not null? What about this? Is not null. Maximize it. Okay, we have sorted this part out. What about the average? Did we take proper average? Average of the age. It looks fine. Okay, 777. Okay, answer is correct. What is want? Actually, I think it's called seal. Like, okay. average age of reports round to nearest integer, round to nearest integer. That means if it's less than like 0.5, like it's 0.3, make it 0. If it's 0.7, make it 1. It's like something like this. But we have some kind of function for this. Can we use round? Does round actually work? The round works. The round will work fine here. Then simply do round and we'll do up to 0. This integer. Okay, we'll do round of 0 and age on age. We'll just try to do it. We'll do round of 0 on age. Because round have the same concept. Let me try to run this. And we will name this as something called temp. I like temp because temp makes sometimes life very easy. So we will just make tab. We will okay, shift enter. We will write with temp as. We'll write this. Close it. And here we have our table CT temp as this. Now what we're going to do, we are going to select, we are going to select okay, we are going to select employee ID. Okay, how are we going to add? Okay. So let's just select everything first. Everything from we have temp as A, we have employees table. Inner join, we'll do inner join because we want the intersection of these two. Inner join, we have employees as B, and now what we have more. Okay, from inner join employees B. Now what we do, we want to on. Okay, we are joining, so we are joining them on the employees ID, and from temp we have reports to. So A dot reports to equal to B dot employee ID. So both means the same. If we're joining them, so both should be same. Can we say this? Employee ID. Employee ID. Just run this part. Let's see how things are behaving. Okay, great. So now we have reports to. We have count, we have everything. So what we not want is simply pick all these last part. It looks good, yeah. It looks good to keep employee ID. At least keep some from that table. And we are taking intersection, so like inner join, so they don't need to worry about that part. So we'll start from what we want. We dot start from B dot. We want employee ID. Employee ID. Then we'll go for name. So we will get A dot name. Then we go for A dot reports count. Okay. Then we got A for A dot average age. A dot average age. So let me run this part first. So do we need in particular order or something? Return dot result by order by employee ID. Okay. So order by employee. Okay. B dot employee ID. B dot employee ID. Let me see where we're doing error. A dot name. Okay. What is the mistake we made? Okay, we didn't actually call the name column here. Okay. We just have to use B dot name. To use B dot name because there is no mention of A here. Okay. Here we don't have name actually, so we must use B dot name. Just run it again. Let's run this part again. Okay, it's accepted here. So let's just submit it again to. Okay, so we'll do. Okay, it's accepted. It's accepted. But I need to remind you of one thing. Actually, be careful with this part. We generally miss this. We solve this wrong or the sometimes misunderstand the problem. So here what it was actually saying was we have to round it to nearest integer. It means rounding off. Okay. So no need for using ceil or for function like JF for all that. We simply do round off, we'll get the problem solved. Okay, then since it is solved, should I give some other problems? Let me just check what could we do. Okay, it's always fun to solve 3 more problems. So give me the name of employee who have most number of employees under him. Under him means you can say simply reports to him. You understand, right? Reports to him. Okay. And for easy part, give me the okay name and ID of employee of employees with highest and lowest. This is simpler problem, very simpler, or lowest age. Okay. Give me the name of employees with even IDs and odd age. This is also a very simple problem. Do not use join or something, anything. Okay, just try them out, yeah. It's very simple. Okay, then bye bye. See you in the very next problem. I think it will be 30th problem we have solved up to now. Let me just refresh this part. Okay, so let's just go for the next problem.